Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's start with our NAVODAYA coaching exam. As you know, your exam is very near. So let's do one thing. Let's quickly revise everything from beginning. As your exam is on 18th, like just a few days left, we can say 9 to 10 days are left. So let's revise from beginning. Okay, so I'll quickly share my screen. Also, let me tell you, this session is live on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and you can respond via, the live chat option. All right. I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, perfect. So let's first do LCM and HCF. Okay. Now, what is LCM? Here we will consider the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means the numbers that come in the times table of 2. And if I talk about the multiples of 3 are the numbers that comes in the timetable of 3. Okay. Now, see, we have already done these things. We are just doing a revision, right? Now we need to find the common multiples. So common means same or similar. Okay, common multiples, same multiples that are there in both the times table of 2 and 3. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Okay, so instead of 34, it's 36. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So these are the common multiples. And here, if we find the common multiples of number 4 and 5, same way you have to do. Multiples of 4, these are the multiples of 4, and multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Now, if we work on finding the common multiples, we'll identify the common multiples of 4 and 5. Common means the same. 20, 40, 60, 80, these are all the common multiples of 4 and 5. Okay? Now, 4 and 6, let's see the common multiples of 4 and 6. So you will straight away write the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 6, right? And then what will happen? You just need to find what are the common multiples. Okay? Now, moving on to the common multiples. Here I can see the common multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, then 72. These are all the common multiples and so on. I have just written up to a certain number, but you have to keep going and see what are the common multiples. Now we will find the common multiples of 6 and 10. So here I have written all the multiples of 6. Okay. And then I'll write all the multiples of, here I'll write all the multiples of 10. Now we will identify the common multiples. Okay. We'll see the common multiples here. 30, 60, 90, and so on. Now we will see what is LCM. Till now we were doing common multiples. Now we will do least common multiple. What do you mean by least common multiple? Least means the smallest. Okay, which is the smallest common multiple, right? The smallest. Least is the smallest. I'll quickly write it here for you. Least is the smallest. Common is the same. Smallest, same, multiple. Yeah. Now, these are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 3. We already know how to find the common multiples. Now, least is what? The smallest. Out of all the common multiples, you have to find the smallest. So here the smallest is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM is least common multiple. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay? That's how you do it. All right? I hope it's clear. And children, if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in the live chat so that I can help you out. Next one, Common multiples, first we have to find the common multiples of 4 and 5, then the least one. So if you see, we have just figured out the common multiples of 4 and 5, okay? Then just found out which is the least one. Least is the smallest. The smallest multiple, the smallest common multiple is 20. So 20 is the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Next one, consider multiples of 6 and 10. So first we will find the common multiples of 6. We'll find the common multiples of 10. And then what we are going to do is finding the least multiple, least common multiple, LCM. LCM is 30. Smallest common multiple is 30. Yeah. Now, factors. What are factors? So multiples are the numbers which come in the timetable of certain numbers. Now, if I talk about factors, what are factors? Factors are like, so if this is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6, so we can say that 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Or we can also say 2, like 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Okay? Right? So here we can also say that 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, or 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Now here 4. What are the factors of 4? Like 4 comes in which numbers times table? So it comes in the times table of 1, it comes in the times table of 2, and it also comes in the times table of 4. So these are the 3 factors, like 1, 2, and 4. These are the 3 factors of number 4. 1, 2, and 4. 6. What are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? So it means number 6. You see number 6 in what numbers times table? I see it in number 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself. As you can see here, these are all the factors of 6. Number 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8. So basically you have to see, you see these numbers in which numbers times table. Number 10. Please find out the factors of number 10 and let me know in the chat. Yeah. So I hope it's done. So let's see the factors of 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. Number 12. What are the factors of number 12? So number 12 has factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, this we have done. Okay, so this is 18 basically, not 12, sorry, it's by mistake. So this is 18. This. Okay. What are the factors of number 32? Factors of number 32. Okay, so for 32, we see 32 in the times table of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32 itself. Just remember one thing, every number has at least two factors. One is 1 and second is the number itself. Each and every number have at least two factors, which is 1 and number itself. All the numbers have at least two factors, which is 1 and number itself. Now we will talk about common factors. Common means the same. Common factors. So here, if I talk about the factors of 6 and 8, now you know how to find the factors. These are the factors of 6 and 8. Now common, it means same, right? You know the meaning of word common, which means same. Now here, same, like the same factors of both. So here I can see 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, and nothing else. So I can say that the common factors of 1 and 2 are 1, like the common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. Okay. But here, if I talk about the highest common factor, just like in LCM, it was least common multiple. Here it's highest common factor. HCF. It's 2. Consider 8 and 12. Please tell me the highest common factor of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. I hope it's done. Okay, so it's done, right? 8 and 12, these are the factors of 8, like 1, 2, 4, 8, and these are the factors of 12. If I talk about common factors, 1, 2, 4 are the common factors. And if I talk about the highest common factor is 4. 4 is the highest common factor of 8 and 12. 8 and 12, the highest common factor is 4. Consider 12 and 18. 12 and 18. So factors of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Highest common factor is 6. Highest common factor is 6. Next, consider 16 and 18. Sixteen and 18. So 16 and 18, we will write the factors of 16. Writing the factors of 18, 1, 2. These are the factors, the common factors of 16 and 18, but the highest is 2. HCF is 2. Okay. Moving on to the next, 12 and 24. 12 and 24. Please find out the HCF of 12 and 24. So, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now, if I talk about the common factors, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But the highest common factor, HCF, is 12. Okay. Now, let me tell you that there is an interesting relation between any two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Here, 6 and 8. Now, LCM of 6 and 8 is 24, and LCM and HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Now, we will check the product of 6 and 8. Like, first, we will check the product of their LCM and HCF. 24 times 2, which is 48. And what is 6 times 8? That means this is the first number and this is the second number. 6 times 8 is 48. So, here, what did we figure out is like, is HCF times LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Okay? It says like HCF times LCM is the product of two numbers. Right? If we talk about 12 and 20, so LCM of 12 and 10. If I talk about the LCM of 12 and 10, it's 10. It's 60. And if I talk about the HCF of 12 and 10, it's 2. HCF of 12 and 10 is 2. Now, we will find the product of their LCM and HCF. So, the product of HCF and LCM here is 60 times 2, which is 120. And if I talk about the product of two numbers, 10 and 12, it's 120. That means both of them are equal. So, I was talking about this relation. Okay? I hope it's clear. Now let's do another kind of question. Here you need to find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 8 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. How do we do it? Let me tell you. 6 and 8. First, we will find the prime factorization of 6. Means you write that number with respect to the prime numbers. So I have written 6 as 2 times 3. Prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. I did not write it as 2 times 4. I know it is 2 times 4, but 4 is not a prime number. So I've written 4 as 2 times 2 only. Okay. So prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. What is LCM? LCM is product of prime factors either in 6 or 8. So 2 is occurring maximum thrice and 3 is only once. So I have taken 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So LCM is 24. But if I talk about the HCF, HCF is like it should be present in both. So if you look here, 2 times 2 is like I'm making one pair of 2 here. Okay. And there is no other pair, so I'll not take it. Okay. So that's how we do it. That's how you find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. Now we'll practice a few more questions based on this. You have to find the HCF and LCM of 4 and 10. So first write the prime factorization. I'll do this. We'll do this together, 2 times 2, and this we can write as 2 times 5. So if I talk about LCM here and HCF here, in LCM, you take the prime factors, product of prime factors, either in both the numbers. So here, 2 maximum twice, and here 5 is once. But in HCF, I can make only one pair of 2. So HCF is 2, and LCM is 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20. 20 is the LCM, HCF is 2. Yeah. Please do this, 6 and 10. HCF and LCM of 6 and 10 by prime factorization method. Please do this. So here, 6 and 10. So 6 here, let's write the factors of 6, prime factorization of 6. It's 2 times 3, and 10 is 2 times 5. Okay. Now, if I talk about LCM and HCF, it's product of factors in both. So here, 2 times 3 times 5 is the LCM. HCF is just 2. So here the LCM is 30 and HCF is 2. I hope you two got the same answer. Did you? I'm waiting for you in the chat box, dear children. Please respond. Okay, we will do the next question now. Here we go. 8 and 10. You need to find the HCF and LCM of 8 and 10 by prime factorization method. 8 and 10. I hope it's done. Okay, so here, if I am talking about HCF and LCM of 8 by prime factorization method, 8, let's find out the prime factorization of 8, 10 here. 2 times 4 is 8, but I cannot take 4 because it's not a prime number. Na? We are doing prime factorization method. So here, 2 times 2, I'll write. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2. After that, 2 times 10 is 2 times, like to write 10, it's 2 times 5. Okay, 2 times 5. Now, here, LCM, HCF, LCM is 2 times, like there is 2 is maximum price, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And HCF is just making one pair of 2. So HCF is 2. LCM is 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. 40 is the HCF. Sorry, 40 is the LCM and 2 is the HCF. All right. So that's how we do it. Okay. All right. Last question was 8 and 10. Next is, you know that there is a relationship between two numbers and their LCM and HCF. You know that LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the numbers. Now in the question, it is written that product of two numbers is 24 and their HCF is 2. Find their LCM. We can easily find out because product, we know, is 24. Okay. And LCM and HCF, the product of LCM and HCF is 24. Okay. Here, LCM times HCF is product of two numbers, LCM times 2, because HCF we know, but LCM we don't know. So we can easily find out the, we can easily find out the LCM because HCF is given to us, product of two numbers is given to us. So to find the LCM, it's 24 divided by 2. And what is 24 divided by 2? It's 12. Okay. Now, here, product of two numbers is 28. Product of two numbers means there are two numbers A and B, that is 28. HCF is 1. So HCF times LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. That's what we know. So product of two numbers is 28. HCF is 1. Find the LCM. So to find the LCM, it's like just 28 divided by 1. So LCM is 28 itself. Okay. Product of two numbers is 50. Their HCF is 5. LCM times HCF is equal to A times B, which is product of two numbers. It is given 50. HCF is 5. LCM we have to find out. Na? Find out. So here, LCM is equal to 50 divided by 5, which is equal to 10. LCM is equal to 10. Okay? LCM is equal to 10. So 10 is the LCM, 50 is the product of two numbers, and HCF is 5. You can also multiply and check. 5 is the HCF, 10 is the LCM. That's what we have got. 5 times 10 is 50. 50 is the product. That means our answer is correct. Okay. So with this, we are done with our today's class, dear children. Thank you so much for joining the session. It was a lovely session with you all. I hope you understood all the concepts. Just one thing I want to say, like as you are very near to your exam, kindly practice thoroughly. Please watch the replays of the session right? And if you still have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, we are doing the revision thing, right? Please join the live sessions. You can, so that you can ask me the doubts in real time. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you will directly get the, a notification whenever we go live. Okay, so yeah, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun, and have a lovely day. See you.